Welcome to Upstarters. In this video, I will show you how to generate a list of keywords from a given text. You can generate almost unlimited keywords using this tool. It can help you in search engine optimization and rank you higher in search results. The tool is Keyword Sheeter, free keyword research tool. Site is keywordsheeter.com. I'm using its free version. Let's see the magic. Enter your keyword here or type your keyword. As soon as you type your keyword, you can apply positive filters from here. You can filter out certain words as well. Choose SEO category. Choose country and language. So it can also help you in local SEO. Expand advanced options. And you can target states of a country. This is amazing, right? Okay, so once you have typed the keyword, click Start Sheeting. And there you go. It will generate the keywords and it won't stop until you tell it to stop. So here it is counting that how many keywords it has generated so far. I will press stop button. You can click this button, Save to Keyword Planner, to save these keywords, or Control A and Control C to copy these keywords, and you can paste these keywords anywhere. So we have got 489 keywords based on given term. So now these keywords can be used in SEO projects or anywhere, wherever we like. And you don't need login or any account to use this SEO tool. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.